Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We all have this kitchen tissue roll in our kitchen, right? And after it gets over, we usually throw this cardboard roll inside it. So today, let's see how I used it to make this toothbrush and toothpaste holder without investing a single penny. So yeah, let's begin. I took cardboard roll and marked a point measuring 1.5 cm from the top of this cardboard. Similarly, I marked multiple points throughout its circumference. Now since we have all these points, we can easily cut it using a cutter. Same way I did cut two more pieces from the same roll. You can change measurement as per your requirement. Now from the remaining cardboard, we will cut it vertically from the center for our toothpaste. So this way I got two pieces, out of which I am going to use one. Now in all the three circles that we made, we will draw one small rectangle anywhere in the middle and we will cut that part and a small line just below it, which will keep our toothbrush intact. I had this gift paper at my place, and since it was plastic paper, I decided to use it and cover everything that we have made till now with this paper. Remember, since we are using cardboard, cover it with some form of plastic to avoid it from getting spoiled, as we are going to use it in bathroom. I also gave base to my toothpaste holder with small piece of cardboard from my leftover roll. Next is base, and for that I took this waste cardboard piece which I got it in one of my online parcels, so I cut it into this measurement and covered it with the same gift paper. Now let's stick all our parts one by one on the base using glue gun. So yes, this was ready, but then I felt it was looking too shiny for my bathroom, so I decided to use some pebbles that I ordered once for my flower vase, and these were left, so I thought it could give nice look to my holder. So yes, this is how my holder looked with these stones. It did become a bit heavy, but I didn't have any other option. You can use anything that you have which can give good look. I arranged everything and it was now ready to go to my bathroom. This is how I have stuck it in my bathroom, but please decide your adhesive properly as per your bathroom interiors to save it from falling down. Double-sided tape or glue gun might not work on glossy tiles. I hope you liked this video. If so, please press the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Also, while subscribing, please don't forget to press that small little bell right next to the subscribe button to get all timely updates. Thanks for watching.